profound respect and a sincere sense of privilege that I welcome you, our distinguished members of the Committee of Retired Inspectors General of Police, to the First Headquarters today. Your presence here today is a visit. Please, let me take that again. Your presence on this important visit is one that I receive with immense gratitude, as it reflects the enduring spirit of unity, continuity, and shared service that defines the Nigerian Police Force. Distinguished former Inspectors General of Police, you are not merely visitors to this institution. You are fathers of the force, leaders who have carried its burdens, shaped its direction, and devoted the finest years of your lives to the security and stability of our dear nation. I consider this visit particularly significant because it brings together past and present leadership in a manner that strengthens institutional memory and reinforces the principle that policing is a lifelong commitment beyond tenure or office. Indeed, there is great value in the opportunity to rub minds with men who have once occupied this seat, who understand the weight of the office, and who appreciate the complexities of leading the Nigerian Police Force. Nigeria's internal security environment continues to evolve, with emerging threats ranging from violent crime and kidnapping to cybercrime, communal tensions, and other challenges that demand intelligence-led and professional policing responses. In responding to these realities, the Nigerian Police Force remains committed to strengthening operational effectiveness, deepening professionalism, and ensuring that our constitutional mandate is carried out with integrity, discipline, and service excellence. It is also important to state that modern policing requires more than enforcement. It requires public trust, ethical conduct, accountability, and a people-centered approach that places the citizen at the heart of our operations. Distinguished retired IGPs, I would like to use this opportunity to intimate you with some of the key developments, reforms, and institutional changes that we have introduced within the force over the last 2 years. These measures are aimed at repositioning the Nigerian Police Force for greater effectiveness, professionalism, and responsiveness to contemporary security demands. One of the major structural reforms we have implemented is the upgrading of our intelligence unit to the full status of a department in recognition of the central role intelligence plays in modern policing and proactive crime prevention. In the same vein, the legal unit of the force has now been elevated to a directorate, thereby strengthening our capacity for legal oversight, improved prosecution support, rule of law compliance, and institutional accountability. We have also made significant progress in the area of police health care delivery. Our medical unit has been upgraded to a directorate, and we have digitized our medical record system to improve efficiency, accessibility, and service delivery to personnel nationwide. Esteemed IGPs, to further strengthen our operational readiness, we have expanded the police mobile force through the establishment of additional squadrons, raising the number from 79 to 84 across the country. This expansion is designed to enhance our rapid response capacity and improve tactical support in addressing high-risk security challenges where they arise. Additionally, new area commands and divisions have been created across the Federation to bring policing closer to the people, improve command efficiency, and strengthen coverage in growing and strategic locations. We have also established a new tactical formation known as the Special Intervention Squad, SIS, which has already begun making measurable impact in several states where it has been deployed for targeted operations. Distinguished retired IGPs, beyond operational reforms, we are placing renewed emphasis on professionalism, ethics, and discipline as the foundation of effective policing. In this regard, weekly training sessions focusing on policing ethics, professional conduct, and service standards have now been made compulsory at the state command level to continuously build capacity and improve officer behavior and performance. We have also remained committed to strengthening morale and institutional justice through a transparent and merit-driven personnel management system. Over the last 2 years, we have adhered strictly to a merit-based promotion framework, ensuring that advancement is earned through service, discipline, competence, and professionalism. I am pleased to inform you that so far, a total of 141,054 officers of all ranks have been promoted under this merit-based system, reinforcing fairness, motivation, and confidence across the force. Esteemed retired Inspector General of Police, while we remain focused on these reforms and operational gains, I must also express concern over a recent campaign of calumny and misinformation being prosecuted on a daily basis through discredited social media channels known for publishing fabricated falsehood and distorted narratives against highly placed individuals and sensitive public institutions in Nigeria. Such irresponsible reportage not only undermines public confidence, but also distracts from the serious work of nation building and the sacrifices being made by officers and men of the Nigerian police force in the service of our country. Nevertheless, we remain undeterred. The Nigerian police force will continue to uphold professionalism, accountability, and lawful conduct while engaging the public through facts, transparency, and responsible communication. We also count on the wisdom and guidance of respected senior leaders, such as yourselves, in sustaining institutional stability and public trust in the face of such challenges. These reforms reflect our commitment to building a modern police force that is operationally capable, ethically grounded, technologically adaptive, and worthy of the confidence of the Nigerian public. I must emphasize that these achievements are not isolated efforts, but part of a broader institutional transformation agenda which builds upon the strong foundations laid by your own leadership over the years. Your continued interest in the affairs of the Nigerian police force, the force you once led, is deeply appreciated, and I welcome your fatherly counsel, guidance, and support as we sustain this trajectory of reform and service improvement. Your continued interest in the affairs of the force is deeply appreciated. Once again, I thank you most sincerely for honoring us and the Nigerian police force with this solidarity visit. You are most welcome. May God bless you all. May God bless the Nigerian police force.